This unique Johnson & Johnson R&D facility is an enormous step forward. It's a model for the future, and we have designed it to allow the scientists to be the best that they can be. This facility brings together a unique set of capabilities from infectious diseases, retinal diseases, RNA therapeutics, gene therapy, and data sciences. We have people from the Innovation Center, where we work with the external community to try and set up unique collaborations with academia, with biotech, with venture capitalists.
Johnson & Johnson has a long-established track record of innovating both from within Johnson & Johnson and outside the walls of Johnson & Johnson.
It's exciting to be here in the Bay Area at the birthplace of biotechnology.
The future of healthcare is digital, and so it couldn't be more important and strategic for us to be located right in the heart of Silicon Valley. One example is we've partnered with a leading technology company to create an innovative heart health program that looks to detect stroke before it happens.
We're also partnering with an early stage company that has a novel technology platform for designing what is called CAR-T to define the next generation of cancer therapy.
This new R&D facility will bring people together to solve some unique challenges. And as a result of that, our medicine will get to patients faster.
The ability to work with both best-in-class employees that we have, as well as best-in-class partners and entrepreneurs, has made what we do very special.
Welcome to the Eli Lilly and Company headquarters located in Indianapolis, Indiana. At Lilly, we're driven to uncover the next great discovery, the scientific advancement that will lead to a new medicine or the technology that will help us make medicine faster. As we begin to explore the many amenities of the Lilly Corporate Center, we start in the main lobby. Lilly employs more than 38,000 employees worldwide with one shared purpose: to make life better for people around the world. To fulfill our purpose, we need the best people to solve the world's toughest health challenges. We work every day to build a diverse, equitable, and inclusive culture where everyone is valued and heard. We take the health of our colleagues seriously, so we provide easy access to medical services and other care through our Employee Health Services Office, where employees can visit our on-site physician, dentist, and optometrist. Looking to spruce up your desk with Lilly merchandise or update your closet with Lilly gear? You're in luck. The Lilly Marketplace offers Lilly-branded merch for all of your Lilly needs, as well as snacks, drinks, and personal necessities. We even have our own on-site banking services through the Elements Financial Credit Union, where employees can complete all of their banking needs anytime they're at the corporate center. Just a few steps down the hall is the Lilly IT Help Desk, IT On Point. Bring your Lilly computer, phone, or tablet to find friendly, hands-on assistance for all of your technology needs. We're all about collaboration at Lilly, and we keep that in mind when designing spaces where employees can feel free to meet and hang out with their colleagues. The Lilly Lounge provides an assortment of games, including shuffleboard. Perhaps you want to relax and watch a sporting event or even catch up on the latest news between meetings. Our lounge provides high-definition flat-screen TVs where you can do just that. Need a midday pick-me-up? Gather some colleagues and socialize over a gourmet cup of coffee from one of the many coffee shops we offer. There are several cafeteria and food service options around the corporate center featuring local vendors, cuisine specialties, and grab-and-go food choices. Reveille features daily specials and serves wine and beer after 4 p.m. As we head outside, you'll notice a walking track surrounding our private turf field. On a nice day, this track is busy with Lilly colleagues conducting business while getting in their steps instead of sitting in a conference room. Our on-site fitness facility, called the Life Center, has fully equipped locker rooms, a cycling studio, several group fitness rooms, and a variety of fitness and strength equipment. The perfect place to meet your Lilly teammates for a workout or attend a training class. The story of Lilly is much more than the Lilly Corporate Center. The story includes many benefit programs and services available to employees, such as career development, volunteer opportunities, and on-site childcare facilities, just to name a few. Most importantly, it is the story of the thousands of people working tirelessly to bring life-changing medicines to those who need them. So as we conclude our time together, here's a question for you. Can you imagine yourself as part of Team Lilly, helping to make life better for people around the world? We hope to see you soon.
I help to oversee a team that's responsible for the technology transfer for tablets and capsules. Pfizer values and supports the development of its colleagues. I recently completed a secondment. This is a rotation into another role to learn a new skill set and bring back experience into your group. Our full team benefited from this secondment in learning more of the technology. I've continued to learn and build my skills, and it's one of the reasons why I've been happy with my career these 16 years.
I joined Pfizer after practicing clinical medicine. For me, having the experience of seeing what a medicine can do to a patient's life really motivated me to join a company like Pfizer. It also enabled me to provide the experience I had gained from actually treating patients into the clinical trials that we were conducting. The Croydon campus is a really amazing space. I think Pfizer has a very strong culture about wellness of colleagues. So these kind of facilities makes it very easy for you to look after yourself, which then enables you to give so much more to the work that we do on a daily basis.
I've been at Pfizer for 1 year. I work in process chemistry within chemical research and development. You know, I always feared that being newer, people wouldn't take my opinion into account, but that's not what happened at all. I was listened to, and I could always bring up my concerns. At Pfizer, we have a particularly collaborative and kind environment, and that's exactly what I wanted out of my first job experience. I think I'm incredibly lucky to be at Pfizer.
How does it feel to be a curious mind in a world that turns faster every day? In a world that's getting more and more complex, are you still able to walk off the beaten track? Do you think the theory of relativity was developed by someone who just did business as usual? Were the skeptics right who said that phones without keyboard won't work? Did a small pharmacy transform into a global science and technology company without breaking with tradition? Would they have made it without being passionately curious? No. From the start, Merck's success was driven by curious minds, creating drugs to fight cancer, diabetes, or multiple sclerosis, or the substance of our nasal spray that was used on the first mission to the moon. Our fertility treatments brought 2 million babies into the world and made 4 million parents smile. We turn water into pure water and ensure that the quality of food and drugs is reliable worldwide. Why are lipsticks more glossy than ever? Why does your car have heat-reflecting blinds? Why can you watch movies on ultra-high-definition screens? Because we were curious enough to invent the technologies behind it. Because we believe that curiosity is the key to making a real impact. That's Merck. This is what we do, advancing technologies for life. Join us and infect people with your collaborative energy. Be a threat to monotony and break it with your creativity. Stop dreaming and start creating a career that fulfills your ambitions.
Research and development. It's the heartbeat of Novartis. Around the world, our R&D teams are pushing the boundaries of science to discover and develop breakthrough treatments and to find new ways to deliver them to as many people as possible. With the support of wide-ranging investments and collaborations, and driven by our passion for science and its impact on society, we're proud that our R&D engine is one of the strongest in the world, allowing us to help patients on a global scale. We're turning great science into transformative medicines, with only one goal in mind: to deliver breakthrough innovations that improve and extend people's lives. Every day, across the globe, we're putting our hearts into reimagining medicine.
Now, more than ever, there is a greater need for scientific advancement. We want to transform healthcare and change the lives of billions of people across the globe. To help us achieve this, we have built a world-leading facility that will sit at the heart of healthcare innovation for years to come.
Our Research and Development Centre brings teams together to improve collaboration, creating a more vibrant environment that puts science and the patient at the heart of everything that we do.
I think it's a very bold statement that we've got the new building, because it's basically saying that R&D is the future of the company, and that we want to invest in having the best facilities possible for people to do innovative science. So that in itself, I think, is a statement of intent for what we want the future of the company to be.
Located within the world-renowned Cambridge Biomedical Campus, the centre's 19,000 square metres of interconnected laboratories will enable us to add to our 2,000 active global research collaborations.
The best science doesn't happen in isolation. Our Research and Development Centre is at the heart of one of the world's most exciting life science clusters, the Cambridge Biomedical Campus.
Well, we've got extensive collaborations with investigators. Cancer Research UK, again, some of our bioscience group have been working in the Cancer Research UK labs for several years now. The Anne McLaren building, where our Invivo group is based, ABCAM on the site. We've obviously got the Cambridge Cancer Centre and Addenbrooke's, Papworth Hospital. We're already collaborating with them, so it's very exciting to be here.
We have over 200 partnerships as part of the Cambridge ecosystem, with more than 130 collaborations with the University of Cambridge. We have over 100 employees working as STEM volunteers. They've brought science activities to over 60,000 children and young adults every year, so they get a feel for what it's like to work in discovery and life sciences, and that's really important to us as well.
Housing more than 2,000 people working across all our therapy areas, this new centre will accelerate our drug discovery and development timelines by harnessing new technologies and data to create the next generation of therapeutics.
Our new global R&D centre will enable us to break new frontiers in scientific innovation to create the next generation of therapeutics. The building is a phenomenal place for us to be. Here we can truly push the boundaries of science to deliver life-changing medicines.
Beyond its extensive scientific capabilities, the building itself is a feat of engineering and has been designed to the world's highest environmental standards.
From day one, our scientists will be working in an operationally carbon-neutral building, designed with an environmental sustainability at its core.
The building exemplifies how we're going to make our science and our business sustainable in every aspect of what we do, from how we discover and develop new medicines to how we identify and address their environmental impact.
This is more than a new building. This is a new era of scientific innovation.
What gets you up in the morning? Is it working with big data or small molecules? Is it blue sky thinking or developing the technology that brings it back to Earth? Is it engineering new systems that work faster? Or giving someone more time? This is where it gets interesting. From engineering to data science, from research and development to learning and development. At Bristol Myers Squibb, you'll take your work and your career farther than you thought possible, alongside some of today's most inventive minds. This isn't easy work, but it is uniquely interesting, where you will rewrite the rules, solve the toughest challenges, and transform lives. You may just transform your career as well. Bristol Myers Squibb. This is where transformations happen.
Our leadership had a dream on a whiteboard in Copenhagen of what it would look like to have a tremendous on-the-ground API production facility in the United States.
Novo Nordisk took the leap building this first-of-a-kind facility here in Clayton, North Carolina.
Novo Nordisk is a business. We have also said that we would like to defeat diabetes. If somebody should do it, it should be us.
This is the type of project that we dreamed of.
We have had a really nice collaboration with Fluor, basically during the 5 years that we have working on this project. We have a long history of innovation. A project like this was actually needed to fulfill the overall ambitions for Novo Nordisk.
The Novo Nordisk way is that we never compromise on quality and business ethics. And that, of course, also go when we choose a business partner.
When you enter into construction and building a facility such as this, there are only a few companies on Earth that have the capabilities to actually make it through something as significant as this.
That alignment of Novo Nordisk and Fluor culture. For Novo Nordisk, they serve patients. For Fluor, we serve our customers and the communities that we live and work in.
This is the biggest investment project in Novo Nordisk's history.
It is definitely pushing the boundaries for what you can achieve in projects. When pushing the boundaries, you also have to innovate the way you work.
From the beginning, we were both convinced that modular construction was the best path to take. Fluor's expertise with being able to plan those modules and ultimately factory acceptance tested before they were shipped to site was fundamental to the success of the schedule.
Fluor had a very unique opportunity to do self-perform on a life science project. We were able to bring in the craft training organization, but the self-perform role in the project made a significant difference in our ability to deliver the job. When we had the right people in the right place at the right time, the execution performance was excellent.
This is a complete site. We have all of the unit operations, fermentation, recovery, and purification. You don't see a lot of repetition. You start to see a lot of unique, brilliant installations and brilliant creations from this client to create the product that comes out the backside of purification.
A mega project this size very often comes with a lot of challenges.
The way we earn trust in projects like this, and particularly with Novo Nordisk's management team, I believe it came from how we handle the challenges.
Between Novo Nordisk and Fluor, we have collaborated despite the challenges that we have seen.
Streamlining ways to get from questions and challenges to solutions that could be delivered here in construction.
And we were able to deliver what is the largest pharmaceutical installation in the industry today.
There's no doubt that this project for Novo Nordisk is one of the most complex and challenging projects ever to be delivered in the life sciences industry.
Everything that we were hoping for has actually been accomplished. We have a facility here that has an enormous flexibility to increase our capacity, also gives Novo Nordisk as a company enormous possibilities.
The team had total pride on finishing this project, but ultimately it was the focus on the patients that have diabetes.
The collective team of Novo Nordisk and Fluor kept that as their number one focus.
And then of course it's good fun to sit with this drawing that Morten and I actually did in March 2015, and you can compare with the flyover from Clayton. It's pretty close.